Did you buy the dip in MULN stock as of Tuesday, the 28th of March 2023? It was trading at $0.09, and yesterday, the 31st of March, it reached all the way up towards $0.16. That's close to 100% gain. I think all in all, since that day, the 28th, it has now gained 30%. So we picked up a position there. We are gradually picking up our position. Our strategy now is definitely to continue to average down. And we were actually in profit at some point when it reached the peak. It reached sometime late last month or sometime last month. But in any case, yesterday the news was that the company has delivered 4 Class 1 electric vehicle cargo vans to vehicle leasing company MGT. The company said it expects the delivery fulfilled by around the Marion Automotive Group to be followed by more deliveries in the future. Financial Times or other details of the delivery weren't disclosed. So as of the time, it was up around 13%. I think it ultimately settled for a gain of 8%. So we have on its 1 minute, on its 5-minute chart, we can see it traded up to all the way towards 0.16, like I mentioned earlier on, and the projections are not so ambitious on the 5-minute chart. But if you look at if it's at its 15-minute chart, you see that there are even more ambitious projections there, projections all the way towards $0.21. And downward projection of $0.09 again. And what else? Let's look at the daily chart and see what the projections are like on the daily chart. Let's see, daily chart. We have not so ambitious, is it? We have projection towards 0.5238. So I think amongst other things, the stock is quite a popular one. You know that very well. It has a very good following because of that, and it's also a company that is developing. So there's definitely a lot of skepticism towards the stock for sure. And then when you combine that with the fact that a lot of retail hands are involved, you definitely get a stock that is not really accelerating upwards. So it's there's a heavy amount of trading involved. A lot of it's of great interest to a lot of market participants, put it that way. So hedge funds will definitely come and to make the most of what's going on there, and also the fact that the company is also developing, is improving. The company is growing, so you would definitely you can expect that there's a constant need for funds. Because of the need for funds, they will constantly be raising funds, and it's not through the banks that they raise these funds. They're really the amount of credit they get from banks is not very high, so they get it from hedge funds, and these hedge funds very well, you may know very well, their redemption rates are like 100%. So if they lend you $100 million, they're going to get back $200 million. And how do they do that? They sell your stock. So that's what we're dealing with, amongst other things, So, but in any case, it's still it's of great interest to a lot of market participants. Has a lot of following. You know that very well, and it will continue to. There's money to be made. So, we've seen that alone just this week. It dipped all the way down towards $0.09, and then in the pre-market session of yesterday, the 31st of March, it reached all the way towards 0.16. That is almost 100%. So those who have the access would have made 100% on their investment. So there's money to be made. So we continue to remain involved. We're not just the way we're getting involved is not just sitting, buying and sitting. We are revolving. If it dips, we buy, and if it spikes, we think if it spikes to a certain level, we sell our position and come back again. So our position is gradually increasing now, So that's our strategy, for MULN stock, But we have a very long-term ambition of $3.33. That has always been our projection, and we're still maintaining that. That's way sometime in the future, possibly. Okay, so MULN stock up over 30% since Tuesday, the 28th of March 2023. See what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.